All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. I am your host, resident day trader, and your brother in the struggle. The name is Hassan, and we are live. It is Tuesday, May 7th, and market's not as exciting this morning. The SPY looks solid, but I don't really see any relative strength anywhere. There's really only a few things that are trading above yesterday's close. So I guess the approach is always still the same, patience, composure, and just try to wait for that A+ setup. Yesterday I caught a really nice trade, my first trade, awesome 4R home run. And then I proceeded to trade it all back, gave it all back, and left negative 2R, which is a 6R turnaround. It's crazy. So definitely got to make sure that never happens again. Yeah, so I think the maximum I'm going to give back is 2R. And then I just got to go. Definitely should not be having any green to red moves. That's not cool. So if I make a win, it should be at least 2R, and at worst I should be break even, but trading into the negative is ridiculous. So we definitely got to avoid that. I guess I would say I am the most interested in Amazon and possibly Apple. Apple actually is the strongest thing going this morning. So, yeah, looks like yesterday's high on Apple was... What's up, Ben? How's it going, man? You looking at PTON this morning? I even got PTON up on the chart. Hot damn home, here we go again. Now. Wow, Kava is dropping. What you looking at this morning, Ben? Videos dropping. Apple's staying strong, man. I kind of thought this would have been a nice little bounce on Apple right there. You think so on PTON? Yeah, there goes flushing. There she blows. Okay, Google, AMD, and Apple looking really strong right off the open. Amazon's not looking bad either. Wow, Google's really going off. It's a bit much there, Google. GMIA, JMIA.
DDOG.
Okay. That looks legitimate. Man, Google just kind of got carried away over here. Like altogether, you just completely feel like it doesn't work at all? That's where you end up risking 15 to make 10 or 5.
GOGL.
Man, Google's going crazy. I can't even mess with Google. Sound like you ready to just scrap it all together, man. Boy, look at that fake out over 189. Have you tracked how often you can get more than 10 cent? Or I mean 5 cent? Because I feel like you often leave a lot on the table. Everything's still looking pretty wild. I kind of want to take Apple over 184. All right, tried Apple over 184. Stop is kind of tight. It's not actually at the bottom of any candle in particular. Okay, yeah, that's true. The lower your target, the higher your accuracy is going to be, no doubt. So, ooh, look at that. Southern Company. That looks pretty nice. What's up, Jason Turner? Thanks for stopping in. You say Riot. Man, SO's looking fabulous. Put that over there for now. You should looking to short that thing, man. It definitely looks bearish. I don't know what to make of Google, man. This thing popped up really high. Hey, what's up, 3 Pony? Yeah, I don't know about this Google joint right here. Actually, that does look decent. What's that look like on the 5? That's not bad. Apple's looking bad though. Ooh. Creep that down just a little bit. This might be an adder. Maybe not. That's still pretty much 50 cents. What was I looking at? Oh, Google. Oh no. Closing below VWAP already. SPY is dropping. So is Google. See if Apple can hold its strength. Looks like it wants to. We shall see. 377. It's a little high. Got to be a little aggressive sometimes.
MRG, DIS.
183.64. $1.33. All right, folks, we are looking good in Apple. I kind of wanted to take this, but this isn't like the best thing going right here. It's not beautiful. It's kind of a serious pullback there. Might just have that one and done again on Apple and be cool with that. Let's see if I can manage a one and done today, because I sure couldn't yesterday. I'm tripping. AMD. Ooh, nah, that ain't it. Yeah, if it wasn't for that long top and tail. It's a higher high, but not quite what I'm looking for. What's TSM talking about today? Nothing. Yeah, I think we in the right spot on Apple, man. I don't really see much strength anywhere else.
GOLG. IP.
Google does look a little better now. This looks like it could be a nice 5 minute trigger right here. I don't know if it can be trusted. That'd be a dollar stop over 170.30, but it's already gone. All right. Man, it'd been nice to catch a ride on this puppy.
FMC.
I don't like those top tails, though. Would have made me too nervous.
CCJ.
All right. Amazon is kind of... it's so choppy, though. Maybe that thing will smooth out later on. Looking kind of nasty right now. Okay, Google. 168. So if it moves $4, we're looking at 172. I don't know. Google is hella strong today, though. It could roll. It could have one of them days. It's really already moved a lot, honestly. What that? All right. All right. Yeah, I mean, Amazon, it's not the worst looking thing on the 5, but looks risky to say the least. We are in 2R territory on Apple. We're going for the money though. We're probably gonna have to sit in the trade for a little
FIS.
while. Google approaching high of day. Dun dun dun. We crack 171, man. I think we gooch. There's 171. High of day is 171.07. What's the SPY talking about? Ew, SPY's pulling back, but we just hit 171.07. Don't get smacked back down now. Come on, I just want you to. Oh, we got 171.09. Okay, so we got a new high day.
ROK.
I would love to see some more follow through than that. Okay, a little pullback here on Apple. I think we can do a little more than that. Oh man, the market's really pulling back though. Ugh, that's nasty. That is nasty. Apple's been relatively strong though. So I think our stop is safe enough, hopefully. Because it's getting bought up. Yeah, Apple's still strong. If the SPY can catch a bid, Google's still strong too. I'm glad I ain't punk out. I'm glad I ain't punk out. Come on, Google. Let's get 170.10. 171.10, I mean. Did you end up doing anything with Riot, Jason?
FIS.
Strong short. That's for sure. Man, I need the SPY to catch a bid ASAP. Don't tell me that was the move. We over pre-market high. We over yesterday's high. Come on, man. Nice. Ah, man. Come on, Apple. Man, Amazon looks nice right here, though. Okay, market catching the bid. This looks like a legit play right here on Amazon. Except for this big wide-ranging bar right here. And this huge top and tail on the 5. At 55. At 10.55? I got you. Dang, I'm red on Apple. Oh, man. Come on, bro. It ain't no way we about to make a lower low right here. Dang, man. 84.90 back down to 84. Come on, SPY. SPY need to catch a bid like right now. Oh yeah, that's looking real good, Jason. Looking real good. Dang, man. It was looking all so beautiful a second ago. Now everything's red. SPY is turning around, but Apple is still going down. Apple pulling back like he got some bad news. Yeah, it did look like it was showing some signs of reversal. Yo, Amazon looking better and better right here. Apple making me nervous. What's that, 80? Yeah, maybe I should have took that joint, but this right here is a little bit of a disqualifier in my opinion. Wow, Nvidia really dipped down there. Market does look like it's downtrending though.
GFS.
Come on, Google. Throw me a nice setup, man.
CCJ.
Only made a higher high by 2 pennies right there. SPY is looking a bit questionable. Man, that isn't good at all. That isn't good at all. I did ignore the heck out of that, didn't I? Man, the SPY is pulling back. SPY is in a straight downtrend right now. I'm hoping this is like a double bottom higher low forming right here on the 2. This could get pretty ugly. I'm looking to add on Google though. Assuming this will be a higher low right here. I think I'm gonna wait for this 5-minute candle to close though. That does not look like a bounce market. At all. Yeah, I definitely should have waited to add for that on the 5-minute, not on the 2. Especially with this thing closing below VWAP like that, and the SPY pretty much downtrending aggressively. Dang, boy, it's gonna be double stop out. Yep. That was quick.
VRTX.
Boy, look at Amazon looking strong with the market pulling back.
GOOG.
Yeah, Apple turned into a straight dud. It's probably a bit too much on the risk. Especially with the market looking undecided like it is. Yeah, a little bit.
TDC. NRG.
Well, it is a tough morning right now, folks. SO ain't looking bad though. Google is.
CROX.
Hmm. Yeah, as soon as that SPY dipped below VWAP, I should have just backed up.
NRG.
Amazon still looked like it could go. The timing just ain't what it could have been. Google looks awful. Google's about to ruin my whole day. Come on, SO.
TDC.
You gotta turn up, or it's about to be a wrap. There we go. Come on, Google. There we go.
CROX. CCJ.
Thank you. Bruh. Sheesh.
GCT.
Thing's about to get me canceled, man. Alright, let me check on that right. What's up, Brad? Man, it was going really well this morning on Apple and Google for a moment, and then just rolled over with the market. Still got to work on my market bias, man. Google's looking relatively strong, though, I thought, but I guess in reality it was just moving with the market. Nah, man, Google was relatively strong.
FMC. GOOG.
GCT.
G-Sun. Oh, wow. Whew. I probably would have bought right here and got faked out. SPY is back over VWAP. I kind of like Microsoft over here. I wish I had some more risk. I think this looks real good. Right back to high of day. Maybe, I don't know. It's beneath yesterday's close. All right, let's do some reasonable price targeting here. 75.20 to 76.13, so a little less than a dollar move. So from 75.65, yeah, G-Sun looked like the one to be in for the low float gang. Man, I ain't even bothered looking at CEG today and look at it. What a mover. 40 cent in a blink.
CCJ.
There you go, Google.
CROX.
Dang, that sucks, man. That's pretty wild. I thought about buying this dip on Apple.
GFS.
Got like no follow through popping today, man. I could kind of tell though. And Google made such a huge move at the open.
CROX. SO.
I'm kind of liking this joint right there.
UNH.
Heard SO on the scanners.
FIS.
Feeling a little better about Google.
GOOG.
Oh, Google on the scanner. Man, there's so much stuff going on with them low floats, man. Spoofing and offerings and fake news reports. The old pump it and dump it. Okay. What did I say yesterday? Two trades if they're both red, then I'm done. That's not fair though. All right, SO is testing 76. I think all-time high is 76.28. At least all-time recent high. We get over there. It's kind of been consolidating for the last 1, 2, 3 days. A lot of volume on this candle up to 76.28. Hopefully a break over that and we can get a little squeeze. Google's playing games again. Even though we got a nice higher high right there. And VWAP's moving up slightly from 45 to 61. thinking this might be a higher low on the SPY, which would be great for me.
IART. FMC.
A lot of volume in this pullback. Hope that just means a lot of people started buying right here. Man, I think MU and AMD are a go.
NRG. TDC.
Man, I really want to be aggressive, man. I really want to be aggressive, but I just don't have the room. UPST. I hadn't even heard of it. I mean, I've heard of it before, but yeah, I might need to get out of Google, man. Huh. A little cheap for what I usually trade.
EMR.
AI driven car loan company. Oh yeah, I ain't messing with them. Dang, man. Yeah, Google look like it's going down. Bruh, I really want to be aggressive right now and get in AMD too. Hope MU was the right one. All right, Brad, thanks for stopping by, man. Hit that like button for me.
SO.
SO trying to break 76. Trying. 7602. MU. Come on, Google, you can do it. You can do it. Yeah, I just don't want to deal with loan companies and credit card companies and banks. I don't want to deal with interest-based Oh, this looks like a nice ad right here. I'm gonna wait to add on the 5s though. I just want to survive Google at this point. $170.09.
SKWD.
Man, Google's finished.
IART. SO.
Apple. Pre-market lows. I don't know, man. I lost all confidence in Apple with that lower low and lower high. Big red candles coming down.
SGRY.
Apple looked super strong this morning. That's why I got nice red trades on it. But yeah,
CTVA.
I probably should have called it too, Ben. All right, Ben. Take care, bro. I'm trying to close it green, man. I'm trying to close it green. I really would be happy with Google at break even at this point. Later, bro. SO is looking nice, though. High of day on SO is 13, which we are at right now. Think we'll hit some scanners. Okay, new high of day on SO. All-time high is 28. I think SO is looking nice. I just need to get one of these other ones to target, man. MU is not looking great. That looks terrible. Well, I'm done with Google today, that's for sure. Yep. Man, If we can get SO over 28, it might just save the day.
CTVA, IART.
Thinking I should have done a dip buy down here just to see. Could have raised my stop up tight
FMC.
and let that thing kick me out if it wanted to. Well, Pond. You know, I felt like this was going really well on Apple.
NRG.
I feel pretty good about these. A little late to this entry. I wish I would have gotten this right here, but I feel okay about Apple. I'm not mad at myself about Apple. Google, I was more so trading this on the 5, but I did feel like this was a bit of an aggressive pullback right here. And this is a huge move up. I should have factored that in, that it was going to need to cool off for a while. This is kind of one of those ones where it makes the move. It makes its entire move of the day in the first, right at the open. And then may spend the rest of the day consolidating. Yeah. Yeah. Back in MU. I like this price action back over yesterday's close and VWAP over here. So ended up hopping on that. Yeah, this is a scanner play right here. Take profit on SO? Nah, I can't. I'm just at 1-to-1 on SO. I mean, I hear you because it's at high of day, but man, Google gonna go now that it stopped me out. That's gonna be a little disheartening. But yeah, I'm kind of hoping for a I'm really thinking about adding to SO. Does that make sense? Yeah, SPY is killing me right now, man. I thought about dip buying MU right here, but it didn't really give me the type of entry that I like. But yeah, I'm definitely thinking about SO over 18. I got a really nice ad. Well, my entries down here is 75.84. So if I added like 50 shares up here, I could bring my stop down under here somewhere where, if it fails, I will still maintain my 1R risk, but I'll give myself a better opportunity to make some real cash on the move up. It's pretty narrow right there, actually.
SO.
There she goes. All right,
FMC.
so
CTVA.
hope I don't get the fake out right here. Um, $16.80 so we'll go 75, 79. Only 66 cents. Yep. Yes, sir. So still got 1R risk on the table. And still got some wiggle room for it to come back down and test 76 maybe. Man, I was so close to dip buying MU down here at VWAP. I was hoping this 2-minute candle would pause down here and then I would take the break over that. But I'm okay with this nice sign of bullishness as well. Really, MU hasn't moved at all. It hasn't been moving much actually in its range. Yesterday's high was 121.37 and this candle went up to 121.41. So I don't know, this could get wild. This could get wild. Really want SO to get out of here though. Get on out of here, SO. I've been wanting AMD, man. I'd like a higher low. Higher low right at VWAP or yesterday's close would be cool. Probably be out of my trading window by the time that happens. Kava's looking kind of good too down there by 75.
GFS.
What, AMD? Man, this looked like a winner on the 5. What's the deal? Yeah. That's true. So yeah. Yeah, I didn't even look at why it was moving up. Just called it out on the scanner. Saw the uptrend. Good to know. Yeah. It's holding. It starts holding this long. It's like either it's going to break up or break down. Look at AMD. Man, I'm gonna be mad at Google, man.
GFS.
I'm gonna be mad at Google. That's my fault though. I need to wait for these narrow range candles. This is really what I love to buy. Honestly, it would have never hit my stop yet either. No, I think I have my stop at 78, which is actually a higher stop than it needed to have. Anyway. SPY seems to be making its way above VWAP. Maybe.
SO.
SO. 76.21. $25. Let's go. Let's see. Last time it had a nice breakout type of day. That thing did $2. Is that what this is for real? Okay. All right. Ooh, we look at that. Let's go. Market is moving up. Market is moving up. Don't get too greedy. So now we're above. Let's see, what do we get to? Okay. Okay, now we're above previous day's high. And there was a lot of volume on that day. So now we might get a little squeeze. Oh no.
GFS.
Yeah, I could have added right there. MU's looking nice. Yeah, I wanted AMD, man. Break even on SO is 96, 75.96. Which I've been looking at the last 15-minute candle to close was 99. I think break even is a legitimate spot. You thinking the same thing? Because if it comes back down that far, it's probably done. Over this position, you think?
SO.
I wouldn't mind another 50 shares. For sure. Are you talking about MU? Because MU is the one I need more positioning on.
IART.
Yeah, I agree. Okay, break even on SO. We are still making highs, baby.
CTVA.
Okay, cool. Still making highs. I really want to add to MU, man. I'm a little worried about it in here.
FMC.
Could probably go with 25. I hate doing partials though, man. I just added like 10 cents ago. I think probably the $50 mark would probably be the best place to get out. Like the safest place. Alright, ended up adding another 25 shares to MU.
TDC.
$43.
GFS.
All right, SO. SO. Yeah, I just want to get out. MU break even. $120.76.
DDOG.
Yeah, it looked like it's got a lot up there, huh?
CTVA.
121.41. SPY just made a new high of day. Feel like I got the market behind me. Man. This thing hasn't really had a good day in a while. We got the gap up here and then the move higher. That's a $5 move on that day. We've moved $2 so far. I think MU gets to 122 easy. Pre-market high on MU. I mean, I don't know if you could even count this tick up here, which is 123.40. But this back here, 121.78. Maybe I should just be content with 3R and not trying to go full home run. 3R would be... I'm playing the P&L now. That's the problem. High of day is not really worth it that much to me. That's only 20 cents away. SO's having a pullback. This target here, I feel like if I'm going to use 62, I might as well go up to 77.
DDOG.
121.6 print.
SGRY.
I don't know if my gut is trustworthy just yet. Nah, but I've kind of Not terrible at picking targets though. I just think above that, man, we can have some energy. Like MU's been needing to move for a minute. And I got the SPY with me too. SPY is pretty extended at this point though. I would imagine it's gonna pull back here shortly as well. SO's pulling back. Hopefully it won't go any further back than high of day. Not really much volume in this pullback.
CTVA.
I really needed to hold this high of day right here. I'm kind of feeling like if it can't hold that, it's a wrap. Which, I mean, I'm at break even, so I'm not going to lose anything on here except for a lot of potential gains, which I need at this point of the day. Okay. Okay, that looks good right there. Got some bid orders coming in at 76.20. Got a lot on the ask though. Ooh wee, 3,300 over here. Man, look at Google, raggedy butt. Raggedy butt. Just got stopped out on Google too, man. And I raised my stop up tighter than I needed to. 76. What I have my stop at 78. I usually would have it at 74. Alright, it's all good. What's up, HH? Trying to make $1 out of negative 109.
SKWD.
CTVA.
Yeah, I think I'm mad at my Google trade. I don't think I'm mad at my Apple trade. Am I mad at Amazon? Yeah, I'm definitely mad at my Amazon trades. Those were trash. NYC. Wow.
TWLO.
That looks nice. This could have been a little adder right there, boy. NYC. What? Dang, bro. This thing don't look like it had any kind of Liquidity. It's a sketchy chart. Yeah, I like that bounce right there at 720-ish. That's what I was looking for. That looks nice. That's what we need. Need the market to bounce too. Man, look at AMD, Pond. That's one that I felt in my gut. I felt it in my gut. I would have got in too early though. I probably would have got stopped right there. Yeah, the 2 minute look hella shady. What's up, Brick? Yeah, AMD went off, man. I could feel it. I just didn't have. I was too red to risk it. If I didn't have any red, I would have jumped in there in a heartbeat. That's the thing, man. When I'm down, it really affects my willingness to put on risk. I think Apple looks good right here on a double bottom. I think that looks great. For a ride back up to VWAP. That looks great. You can catch it over to 5. Got 2 minutes left on this 5 minute candle. Man, you can get 100 shares on that thing. Maybe 50 to play it safe.
FIS.
Man, AMD been kicking my butt. I didn't even look at NVIDIA today. Oh, yeah, I see it. It's trying to grind, still below that opening range. Looking kind of sketchy, to be honest. MU is pulling back. Back. Yeah, I already got beat up on Google. Pretty upset about it. Well, MU, what this high day? 121.38.
DDOG.
121.41. Couldn't make it. Couldn't make it. I know, Brent. I know, man. It just all... I got caught up in the moment, man. Got caught up in the moment. Man, Google is breaking my heart. Down 2R on Google. This thing is testing high a day. Just stopped me out and went straight up.
DDOG.
It's looking real sketchy over
IART.
here. Yeah, them rules are hard to they're hard to stand on. Oh man, I didn't catch that. I was thinking of taking this 5 minute candle. I was gonna just take half risk on it. I think I missed that guy. Maybe if we get a 2 minute pullback, I can jump on. Nah, I can't jump on anything right now. Yeah, I'm telling you, Brent. HH over there treating itself, huh? I don't care about Amazon. I'm gonna look at SO. You don't know SO. Yeah, I just need more solid habits in place to validate my use of fluid rules.
SKWD.
This thing's been getting called out a lot. It's kind of choppy though.
CTVA.
There's that 2-minute pullback. Yeah, I get that, Brent, because I like to jump right back in something when I get stopped out. Mostly because of when this happens right here. Like when I get stopped out on a wick like that,
TWLO.
I just want to jump right back in. And it did go up, make higher highs, but this lower high right here had me messed up. Yeah. Honestly, man, I feel like I'm playing in the market too early. Like, or I just have trouble differentiating the choppy action. Like, if I can just know to stay away from this type of, big moves up and down and wait for this type of stuff, I can trade this stuff much better. But by the time stocks start trading like this, I'm already down 3 or 4 R, so I can't really take any swings. Yeah, I might just need to stay out the market the first 30 minutes or so, man. But sometimes that's when sometimes that's when the best moves are made, man. A lot of times. Most of the time, I guess. But I don't know. I thought Apple was pretty decent. It just folded up on me. Folded up hard. It's really not an ideal setup on the daily at all, though. Today was one of them days where I just really didn't find... Like yesterday, I found a lot of really good setups. A lot of things were gapping up over yesterday's highs. There was like... I think the only thing that was over yesterday's highs this morning was Google and Apple.
CTVA.
Yeah, I record them on TradeZilla and YouTube, I guess.
SKWD.
MS.
Yeah.
ROK.
It's just like this type of price action here. Like this is what I need to stay away from. Just everything's overlapping. Everything has top and bottom tails. But this stuff right here is much easier to read. Same with this. This was just kind of a clean stock. And I like this pullback on the 5. But
AL.
Sure hoping this thing holds and goes for another run. That's that hopium, though. Yesterday's high might have just been its limit. Here's that
TBC.
2-minute pullback I was wanting on this reversal on Apple.
TWLO.
I just don't have any room to be taking any more shares, any more trades, unfortunately. Ruined all the fun. Why is everything looking so dead now, man? We're gonna be here all day again. I didn't get any snacks. You like Meta Olu? Oh wow. Yeah, it does look strong. Yeah, I don't like going long below VWAP, honestly. I don't want to start doing that again. That was a hard habit to break. That was a really hard habit to break.
SGRY.
Yeah, Apple is definitely doing its own thing. Apple and Tesla, man. I don't like trading those at all. I think I'm gonna stop. They are their own. And Apple and Tesla are like meme stocks to me. They're just like wild. AMD looks super strong, man. Nvidia looks nice too.
CEG.
Oh man, I was watching. CEG's on my little watch list too.
TDC.
I think CEG is probably way gone somewhere though. Yeah, that would have been a cool one to be in. I like Microsoft. Not today.
SGRY. DDOG. SO.
Well, my timer goes off at 11. Well, my timer goes off at
FMC.
11 for me to
EMR.
stop taking entries. So technically, I have not taken any entries after 11. But look at that nice curl on SO at the high of the day on the 5. Hopefully it's a curl. Got 21, 23 there. Could be a curl. This could be the move. Yeah. Nah, Apple does not fit my criteria, Pond. I don't like trading beneath. I don't like going long beneath VWAP
ROK.
at all because of this right here, this exact thing. I don't even want to go long for real beneath yesterday's high. Like my ideal watch list is full of things that's above yesterday's high, trading up in pre-market. Wow, look at MU with the insane drop.
FTNT.
Yeah, that's a tough one on MU. Stop is at 43. Meanwhile, SO's making a nice curl on the 5. Right at my blue line here at the previous top. Yeah, I feel the same way. I thought it looked nice for a moment over here at this double bottom. But that quickly faded. I mean, you could have took it back to this high right here, but that's it. Definitely did not go back to VWAP.
ROK.
CEG.
TWLO. FMC. SGRY. ILMN. AL.
Ooh-wee. MU's looking rough. Dang, man. Guess that higher day was the move. That was the move. Honestly, I think it'll probably turn around from here. I just needed to give it a little. Wow, how is the low 44 and my stop was at 43? What kind of stuff? That's cold-blooded. Stop was literally at 43. And the low is 44. And it's filled me at 44. Which is why my stop isn't a full R. It's 24.19. How does that even happen? Are you serious right now? Bro, I want to get back in. That's cold, man. I literally want to get back in right here.
IART.
That's crazy. Yeah. It just might not have been good enough of a move. Like, really, bruh, this is so unfair that it stopped me out.
SKWD.
Well, hopefully it keeps going down and then I won't be so upset about it. But that sucks. No, man. That's kind of suspicious. Should be a solid $25 missing right here instead of $24.19 if it would have actually stopped me out on my penny. Man, and then it's gonna go, bruh. That's some market treachery right there. But yeah, it's definitely a thought to have when entering this kind of trade. Like, the most reasonable target should be high of day. And if I can't position size on my first entry to make selling at high of day worthwhile, I really shouldn't be in the trade. But oftentimes all I'm looking at is the setup and not really looking at the target until after I get into the position. What's up, Brick? Yeah, so yeah, well, I'm done now, Olu. I'm done now. I'm just waiting to see what SO's gonna do. Yeah, I'm pretty much all or nothing though. HH. That's kind of how I like to roll. Yeah, this thing better go all the way back down to yesterday's close, man. That's come on, bro. Man, SO look like it's done too. Yeah, I just mean like as far as moving my stop. I really don't like moving my stop into profit unless it's like way up, but or I take a partial. I'm already at 75.96 though. Like, Could move up to 76.13. I guess that'll give me something. What's 1R? 16 cent. Bro, this is such a tragedy right here. I can't believe this mess. Yeah, I could definitely use some adjustments to preserve capital. There are times when it becomes obvious that if it comes down to my entry point, the trade is probably over and I could move my stop into that. But like for right now, emotionally, I'd rather get stopped out at break even than move my stop up 10 cent into the money. It's just
SO.
I'd be upset if I got stopped out 10 cent in the money and then it went to target. But all right, maybe SO will turn the day around. But high of day on MU, man. That was very unreasonable of me. Like, this is, to me, this is not selling up here is unprofessional of me. As a day trader, when you buy a low and get back up to high of day, I feel like it's known that you're supposed to sell or take profit. And for me to do nothing and get stopped out down here for 1R was unprofessional. At least I should have moved up to break even, you know? So, yeah, that was unprofessional. I don't want to do that anymore. Okay, now I'm happy with MU that it continued past my stop. Yeah, I feel better now because that was some market treachery right there, bro. All right, SO. It's all on you, baby. All right, so I'm cool with my Apple trade. Google and Amazon was trash. SO was really nice. I really feel good about the entry. I could have added a little sooner. If I added sooner, I probably would have been willing to take profit up here. Hey, what's up, bro? What's going on? Hey, you guys, hit that like button for me if you haven't. Another red. Yeah. Some good lessons learned here, though. Some good lessons. I think whenever I approach this kind of situation again, if I don't take profit at MU at high a day, I gotta at least go to break even. You know, that way my risk is the profits, not an R. You know, Amazon and Google was just bad trading. Apple was a good trade. I think Apple was a great trade. I don't know. Let me look at big picture on Apple.
FMC.
Yeah, I think this was a great trade on Apple for real.
CCJ.
Maybe this could have been a problem. 184.20. Yeah, maybe I should have waited for it to trade over yesterday's high. and hold. That's interesting, Pond. Yeah, I was actually eyeballing AMD not too long ago. Yeah. Hey, nice going there. You better be there. That's a real nice day, man. Do that every day. You won't have to go to work. Yeah, see, I would have almost raged entered back in right here, and that would have been terrible. Kind of like what I did on Google over here. Jumped right back in. Although it would have worked if I never moved my stop up. Woulda, coulda. Yeah, man, that's how you do it. Take your money and walk away. Don't be like me. Give it all back to charity.
SO.
Yeah, there's a lot of fun trades I see I could have taken had I not been uber red. AMD would have been fun. I just saw Amazon set up nicely. That would have been fun. I'd rather give charity to I don't want to give charity to the market, man. I want to give charity to my community. Forget the market.
AL.
Yeah. It's weird to keep trading badly, but I still feel like I'm getting better mentally. Look at Amazon, man. I was eyeballing this candle right here caught my eye right here on Amazon. I was like, man, that looks good. I really like the 5-minute, man. I think the 5-minute is where it's at. I might be kind of done with the 2-minute, man. I think the 2-minute is good for managing, looking for places to add and things like that. But I think I'm sold on the 5-minute chart, man. I really like it. You just got to watch out for the chop, like this type of stuff. But like this ad right here, this entry here, and then this right here, but on the 5, nice. Some little kid to me. That's hilarious, bro. Oh, man, that's funny. Yeah. I'm moving up, bro. I was trading on the 1-minute when I first started streaming, and I was like, I swore by it. Like, you couldn't talk me down out the 1-minute for nothing. But now when I go back and look at the 1-minute,
AL.
I don't like it at all, man. This actually don't look bad. When it cleans up, it ain't bad, but Like, it's just too much chop,
SO.
man. I could just see so many entries that you can take and get chopped up on. So, yeah, I've been liking the 2, but man, I like the 5 a lot more. You get a nice narrow range 5-minute candle at support. Thing is gooch. PLTR. A buy to go long.
CCJ.
I don't like it, man. It's a lot of volume right there. I don't know. What's your thesis? Let's see. Okay, here we go. Down over 14% from prior close. I did a trader I follow this morning was talking about this aggressive sell-off. It might be a buy.
EVER.
I don't know. It ain't my style though. You know, I like trading bullish momentum on the lower time frame charts, and I just don't see anything that would get me going on this. I don't see anything at all. Just, I mean, aside from it being really extended, you know, I could see that. But I don't know. I would be worried that this thing could just bounce right off VWAP and continue selling off. Like, look at the aggressive sell and the shallow buyback. The aggressive sell volume and the shallow, you know, the decreasing buying volume. So, I don't know. Maybe you could watch and see how it reacts here. But I don't know. I don't really play.
CTVA.
I don't really play this type of move. So, for me, it would not be a buy. But it depends on your strategy, bro. Let's go SO. What we got there? 76.36, 76.40's high of day. Let's go SO. Bro, I'm telling you, man, this 5-minute chart is like, that's bae. That's bae. When that color changes, got the little pullback here, little indecision candle back to green, back up. This pullback here, this is the whole play on this was a 5-minute entry. I think I just gotta look to add once the uptrend is confirmed on the 2. Like, I think I could have added right here. I don't know. It wasn't really that much confirmed to me at that stage yet. Yeah, you talking about PLTR? Yeah, it just looked like a lot of weight on top of PLTR. On that 15, man, yeah, I'd be worried. But yeah, I would be watching to see what happens in this area, but I don't know, bro. I would be very scared.
EVER.
I like this action, breaking back over this consolidation area. I just need to see some. There you go, Daniel.
FIS.
Oh, for real? Yeah.
TWLO.
Like just now. Richard? Like news just hit? Yeah. In the long run, I think it's going to be okay. But right now, it's looking sketch. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, HH. I think Daniel got the right idea over there being short on PLTR. Where'd you get in at, Daniel? Hopefully up here somewhere. Yeah, see, this is exactly what I was worried about on PLTR for you. It would get up to VWAP and then, like, if it breaks this low right here, 2162, that's a wrap. What's up, Richard? Good to see you, bro.
CEG.
I hate when I see my friends on such red terms, but 2160. Oh, okay. So you still this you right now. I hope it goes well for you, my friend. I think it's looking good though, man. Everything about this chart is screaming lower, in my opinion. I don't know. I might be weary at low of day 2135. If it cracks that though, I don't see no next daily levels like 2066. Yeah. You got it, bro. Just back into the green now.
SGRY.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised at that at all, Richard. I'm considering a YOLO ad right here, bro. And just tightening up my stop super tight. I'm really considering it because I'm about ready to get out of this trade anyway. You only live once. No.
TWLO.
Right here, bro. Add right there on that little pullback to the top of the consolidation.
ROK.
And either we go up or
FMC.
what's that gonna do to my average? That's barely gonna raise my average. I could probably go break even. You only long once. Hey man, I gotta make something of this trade, man. We deep in the red.
FIS. IART.
All right, here we go. See, look, my break even is 76.06, And low of this consolidation is 76.14. There's no lose. I'm going to stick it right underneath this high volume candle, 76.12. Stop is in the money, and I got 200 shares now. And if it breaks down there, it's done anyway. Boom. I'm 6 pennies in the money on 200 shares. That was a nice pullback to the top of this consolidation. And now we're moving up. $73.13, $73.40. Let's go, Pine. At the very least, it's exciting. High of day is
SKWD.
40. Do we make a new high over here at least? 36. Okay, we got a higher high already by 2 cents. No ad on SO. We about to find out, Richard. HH has gone against me before and failed. Tell him, HH. My midday price action is is legendary. Look at that. We up almost 3R. Let's see. All right. We just tapped. Well, that we broke. New high a day on SO, 41. See if we can hold it and push higher. Got a lot of shares sitting on the bid. Okay, they gone. I mean the ask. Yeah. All right, Pond. Let's see it. SPY is moving up too. Oh, okay. Welcome to the future, Richard. We'll see, man. We'll see. I think 50 I should probably be selling, but I don't know. We'll see what kind of volume comes in. I really like 77 would be but 50's probably a good spot. But that's what I'm saying, Pond. I think we should be able to make a decent move from here. If we look at this leg from 75.65 to 76.37. $0.72 move.
CTVA, SO.
Look at that, boy. 43s, 44s. Come on, Pond. Let's get this bread. Come on, baby. We need that red to green move. I don't know. That might be asking too much. Looking for a negative 5R to negative 1R move. If we can get over the $0.50 though.
ROK.
75 cent. We holding, Daniel. I'm holding. I'm diamond hands at this point. My stop is above break even. Hey, I'm trying to get to the moon at this point. What that PLTR looking like, Daniel? Okay, we still moving down. You got a target on this puppy? Or you YOLOing like me? I like what it's doing right here, man. I just want to get over 50. Got like 6,200 shares sitting at 76.50 on the level 2. Look at that relative strength. SPY just pulled back. SO is popping up. Yeah, I think so, man. Look at that, man. 56 is 4R. What you think on a target, Pond? I think it could touch 80. Probably 70. I don't know, 50 is the wise target. But we in YOLO mode. Okay. That sounds wise. SPY's pushing up. Come on, let's see some of that relative strength. That's what I'm thinking, Pond. Last time it had a really good move over here, $2. Same with this move. Well, like $1.50 over here. We've done $1.27 so far.
ROK.
All right, that last higher high right here was 76.36. Okay, here we go. Ooh, that's some volume coming in on this pullback. What did we get up to? 47? Oh man, that's some. I don't like these big volume candles right here at all. It's getting tough out here. Okay, we got some buyers coming back. Buyers coming back. That's looking kind of nice right there. Going to lunch. Can we get back to 40? Look at these buy orders coming in, man. Come on, baby. It's got to be one of the best things out here right now to trade as far as momentum and relative strength. It's got to be on everybody's radar at this point. It done made a few hive days. Okay, there's 40.
PWLO.
There's some 40s. 41. 77. Look, that's what I'm feeling. 846. That's what I'm feeling. Yo. This was a nice pullback, man. I think this is what we needed to make that next move. Look at this. This is pretty much a consolidation right here too, man. It's just been charging up. You bought some more, my man. Yo. Hey, man. We break over this top. We break into 50. I'm moving my stop up under this candle right here. We got 1 minute before this 5-minute candle closes. Hopefully it can close up high. Push it real good. Man. Market is looking solid. All right, 5-minute candle just closed. Top of it is 44.
EVER.
We break 44. I'm moving my stop up to
TWLO.
probably 27. 41, 42, 43.
CTVA.
44. Well, hold on. Not 44.
SKWD.
We break 50, then I'm moving my
SO.
stop up. 46. Yo. Bought even more. Man.
CEG.
Come on now. Did we trigger that 5-minute candle? We sure did. We sure did.
ROK.
Yeah, I want it for you, bro. I want 77 now. sure would like to be done with these 30s. Market is pushing. The SPY is pushing right now. We need some help. We need some help. Yeah, I know. Hey, I'm chilling. I was here till like 1:30 yesterday, babe. I wait all day for that. Okay. I don't think this is bad at all. No, I'm bought up. My average is 76.06.
FMC.
I'm straight. $76.06 is my average. My stop is $76.12. Rocking 200 shares. I just need a nice breakup, man, and we'll be cooking. There we go. Get some bid orders in. What's the deal? Wow, I'm sure it has. Today's the first day I ever heard of it. What is Southern Company?
DT. EVER.
Oh, it's utilities. Electric utilities. I don't know. It says electric utility, yeah. Oh, 3 hours ago, Southern's newest reactor begins commercial operations. They beat earnings on lower operating expenses.
IART.
All right. I'm thinking about another 50 shares over 40. I know, right? Like, what is this company? It's funny. 500 shares. 600. Nah, I can't handle that kind of position, bro. 6,000? Oh, okay. Commissions will be crazy on that. Not crazy, but a lot more than I'm used to paying. All right, Brick. See you, man. Mm. Mm. Oh, no.
FIS.
What in the world is going on here? What's up, Ben? We just, me and Pond over here trading SO, trying to get to the moon. Oh, man. All the buyers went to lunch. What's this low on this candle? 28. Gotta take the profits, man. It's looking bad, Pond. It's looking bad. Man. As a degenerate. It's really not terrible. My stop's in a really good spot, actually. Just might have to wait a long time to really get somewhere on it. And actually, my broker will kick me out if I get too low because I'm already past my max loss of the day. I probably got about 10 more bucks I can risk. Dang, man, this thing really fell out.
FMC.
Don't nobody want to buy it anymore? Nobody?
IART.
YOLO, baby. All right. So now I got 250 and my stop is 1 cent in the money. That's funny. All right, now I'm cooking.
IART.
Did you see that ad there, Pond? Now we either gonna get somewhere real fast or we gonna be done real fast. 34. Oh, you saw it. But my stop loss is in the same spot that it was. I just got a lot more leverage. Still at 76.12. 50 more shares. You're welcome. Okay, we got a new high on the 5-minute candle. Yeah, that wick is nice. Look at the 15 too, bro. Look at the 15 wick. Beautiful. Yo, Pond, we gonna be brothers forever if we get to target on this. Like, man, Pond, remember that trade on SO?
SO.
Oh, SO's calling out on the scanner too. Bruh, if we can get high day again, look at this. Come on, man. Come on, man. I think I'm gonna move my stop up under this candle, man. For life, bro. Ooh, I like 250 shares on the way up, man. I like that.
CTVA.
I don't like the partial. I don't. On a normal day, I don't know. I go back and forth with my profit taking. It just really depends on how I feel. Um, if I get to 3R on something that I feel like can really go, then I'll take 2R out and leave 1R to ride. But like emotionally, when I do that and my 1R stops out at break even, it makes me upset. So it's like I'd rather just take it all out at 3R or, hold it off for 4R.
FMC.
And bruh, I hope this thing got some legs on it over 76.50. Look at that thing, man. The moon, I'm telling you. It looks really good. It looks really good right now. High of day is 47.
TWLO.
Look at these softies taking profit. All or nothing, yeah. That's pretty much how I roll. My broker watching me like, what is this guy doing? I'm gonna let him play around. I'm gonna let him play around.
DT.
Went 1 cent off high a day right there on that move up.
FMC.
I cannot wait to not see these 30s anymore. Bruh.
EVER.
I think the Bulls are back, man. We just need that high a day, man. I like what I'm seeing over here on this level 2 and time and sales. Chart looks fabulous too. Ah, 41, 42. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Ooh, let's go. Yo, this is some good entertainment, man. Y'all gotta hit that like button.
SO.
Come on, baby. SO back on the scanners. Let's go. 46. Let's go. High of day is 47. We just did a couple 47 prints. I'm telling you, bro, we get over that $half mark. About to close this 5-minute candle here. And the 15. It's the time right now. Let's go. Yeah, it is. I added 2 right here. You see that? Come on. I just want to see that 48 print. I want to see that 50 print. Keep it a buck.
SO.
Seen some 48 market orders, but I haven't seen 48 on the bid yet. There it is. There's 48. New high day. 49. $49. Come on, baby. Let's go. Come on. We got to be hitting the high day scanners now. Let's get some volume in this puppy, man.
IART.
That's a new high on the 5 and the 15-minute candles. We triggered, man. There ain't nothing left to do but go.
SKWD.
It's a lot of shares sitting on the level 2 at 49. Man, hopefully all these shorts piled up into here got stop losses at 51. There's 50. Let's go. 51. Come on, hit them stop losses. Yo, oh, 53. Let's go. Yo, I'm up over 4R. I got 76.83 on my take profit. Bruh. Man. I know, Pond. Just hold on.
CTVA.
Just hold on. This is the move. This is the move right here. People just got in at 51. Yo, man, would you look at that? What? What is in the R, man? $25. That's my risk on this trade. So, yeah, I'm up over 4R. 4 times my risk.
FMC.
4R is very solid. The only reason I'm holding right now is because I'm negative 133.74. And this could just be really epic right now, you know?
FIS.
Man.
ROK.
Yeah, I'm thinking about splitting my shares up and putting like 100, maybe 150 right underneath the highs. But yeah, that is the thing to do. But I really think this thing could go up to 77. And I don't even want that much of it. I know, right? You right, bro. I think 60's incoming up Pond. I'm waiting for rockstar status right here, though, baby. We gonna rock out today. We rocking out today, man. I think you onto something,
Echo.
HH. I think you onto something. Here you go, Pond. Get that sell order ready, Pond. Yeah, I'm with you, E46. I just want to get to 83. 83, and I got my biggest trade ever on stream.
CTDA.
It's coming. It's creeping up. Come on, baby. Come on, we need them FOMO traders to start jumping in. Where's the FOMO? $59 print.
DTVA.
I'm saying, come on to the party. The water's fine.
DVR.
Yeah. You got a point there, HH. I really do like catching the big moves, man. And a lot of times they do the move. I just get in so early. I try to get in too early
FMC.
when price is still chopping. I get stopped out and then it goes. Like Google did it, Amazon did it today. I couldn't take AMD because I was already hella red. Come on, bro. This can't be the end right here. All these market orders coming in at 58, man. They want it. Bruh. Back up to 58. Ooh, big shares coming in. Big shares coming in.
SGRY.
They playing with us big time, bro.
TWLO.
This is a good build up though, because then if we break, that's even more energy up to the upside, I think. Get these short traders pouring in,
IART.
betting on the top. And hopefully some FOMO break of high. People waiting for break of high to get in to the long side. Got 3,000 shares sitting at 58. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, man. If we can pop over this thing, we might be exploding. I would love to see a parabolic green candle shoot out from up here. Reward us for all our patience.
SKWD.
I mean, look at this 15, man. It just made its move. Like, we got at least a couple more candles. Look at this move. If we can get somewhere even close, just half of this move right here to replicate. Uh-oh. A little pullback. A little pullback. It's okay. Can't go straight up. We can't go straight up.
IART.
Very wise indeed. Very wise indeed. I'm in YOLO mode right now, bro. I can't be. I need 83. I'm sitting on the ask at 83. Come get me. Ooh, 20,000 shares just came in at 59. See that print? 19655.
EBER.
$59 on the ask. What we gonna do?
FMC.
Ain't that many shares sitting there now. Ain't that many shares there now. Man, I gotta use a bathroom, but I don't want to leave. Can't miss this epic moment. Ain't number 500 shares sitting on 59. Ain't much at 60 either, man. We can pop. I think we can, man. Come on, buyers. I'm saying, bro. I need to stop drinking. Man, bro, if we can crack 60, it's right there. Just need a big dog to come in and buy up these little shares sitting on 59. It ain't nothing. Of course, they just keep adding more. Look at that, man. It is ready to explode. Bruh. This thing done traded 4 million shares today.
AAON. SGRY.
How disappointing would that be for it to just sell off? Oh, man. We all sitting here waiting.
EVER.
It's like nobody wants to sell and nobody wants to buy. $59, they got so thin on the level 2, man, and we still not moving up. Come on, Jason, don't come in here with that, bro. I don't, man. I don't. I mean, ideally, I'd like to move my stop up right here under this candle. But, I mean, really, I should be sitting under 47. That's a really good question. This is a lot to be in a position of all or nothing. We got some volume trickling in. It's just can't break over 60.
SO.
Whoa! Let's go! Pond! We in there. All right, we still got a while to get to my target though. Yo. Come on, this ain't the push I was anticipating. Let's keep it moving, folks. I think 47 is a very reasonable stop. Break even on the day. Sell half at 160. Bruh. Parachute time. Don't say that, man.
FMC.
I tell you what, y'all. Stop up to 46. All right? Stop up to 46. Target at 83. All right? Is that cool? Is that reasonable? What's 4R for me? 40 cent.
FIS.
So
SO.
really need to be at 51 for 4R. Damn, I don't like that candle. At least there's an out. No. See, it's too tight. I just don't want to stop out and watch it go higher, man. I should have taken profit up there, and then I could keep my stop low. Yeah, you right. Good trading, Pond. I'm gonna have close to 4R on this if I get stopped out right here. So, still a home run trade. All right. Damn. Hey, man.
FMC.
I'm out. Out for 86 bucks. Probably shouldn't tighten up there. Yeah, we definitely got a great win, man. Had some great ads. This was a great entry. This is a really good ad right here. What a roller coaster indeed. That thing looked like it's cooked. That thing is cooked. Yo. Hey, man, brought the loss back down under 2R, man. That's good. Yeah, 60 was the point. I probably could have went all the way to break even had I sold at the very top. I should have ran my stop up tight once it broke through 60, but you know how that hindsight is. But awesome trade for sure. Got in way down here at 75.84 and got out at 76.45. Can't be mad at that at all. Yeah, hopefully, man. See, this is what I'm going to be mad about if this thing turned around and go back up. I need to not look at it. Oh. Nah, that's a great trade, though. Made back a lot of my profits. All right, what's next? Bruh. Man. All right, y'all, man. That was super fun. Me and Pond got to the bag on SO on the live stream. Good times, man. I'm going to close it out for sure and walk away with my minus 2R. Even though it looked like MU and Amazon setting up over here. Huh. Where was you with that information? I wouldn't have listened to you anyway. I was too bullheaded. But
ROK.
see, bro, if this mug go back up and make some all-time highs, that's why I don't like moving my stop up, though. I know, man.
CDC. FIS.
I'm saying, Pony. You know it. That's why I like moving my stop up. Like, when I believe in it, just let it go. Stop was at break even. But nah, I mean, I needed to capture something because I was deep in the red. I still don't quite understand that, HH. We need a round 2 meeting, bro. We need a round 2. Yeah, man. Appreciate you, man. E46, man. That was a really nice trade. I got a little greedy. Or not greedy enough, actually. I should have been willing to rip some of that off the table at the tops there. I was just hoping we were going to have some follow-through after we broke out. But later, Pond. Appreciate you hanging out and trading with me, bro. But yeah, let me get out of here before I do something foolish. Get out of here and record my review for the day. And
SPG.
yeah, that was a fun trade, though. But appreciate you guys. Please hit the like button on the way out. Hit the subscribe. And we'll be back tomorrow morning. Y'all have a good one, man.